Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can provide permission to a user? Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, so let's open computer management. Okay, click start bar and search here computer management. Here you can see there are lots of group. Okay, every group local user and groups. Click on groups, double click on it, and now you can see here every group. Okay, so every group has some some kind of task. Okay, every group has some kind of permission, just like administrator. So administrator group provide a user to full admin permission. Okay, so backup operation, there are lots of group. Device owner. Okay, so if I want to add a user to a group, okay, and these groups have roles and permissions. Okay, so if the user add in this group, the user also have permissions. Okay, so this is quite simple. Just suppose like that this is a remote computer management. Okay, so let's talk about remote management user. Okay, so right click on this remote management and go to properties. Now suppose that I want to give permission. Okay, I want to give permission to a user. So add the user from here and go to advanced and find now and find the user. So this is my user Raj. Okay, so I'll select the user and click OK and click OK, and you can see the Raj here and apply and OK. Now my user has permission of remote management user. Okay, so my user has a permission for remote user management. Okay, so that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here and bye.